Alright, it's the next day, so now we need to condense each expression into a single logarithm. So since it's subtracting, we can turn that into a log 4 divided by 5, which is our final answer. Since the 4 is positive, it goes in the numerator, and since the 5 is negative, it goes in the denominator. And then we know that log, it'll be the 6 will go here, and then we can put that 2, it's squared, and then we're going to have that times 5. So that's going to be 36 times 5. Which is, it's pretty simple. It's just, oh man. Which is log of 180. You should be able to do that in your head, but I wasn't able to just then. So this is going to have the log. Since this is positive, it's going to go on the top. And then since there's a 4 at the top, we can make that a 4. Divided by this 8 to the 4th. Editor here. So I was looking back over this one, and I realized that you can do log of 3 over 8 to the 4th, which I believe is going to be our final answer. If it's not that, that 4 is going to be right here. But I believe this is our answer. And so this is a log, don't forget the bases of 5, is going to be u times v to the 4th. It's a pretty simple one because it's only variables. And this one's a bit longer, but it's just log of 2 times 11 times 7, which is log of 154. So this is all variables, but it's going to be log base A with u to the c times v to the b. That's our final answer. And I don't think anybody can really do that in their head unless you're like a master mathematician. But if you're watching me, you're probably not. So that's our final answer. Then we need to condense it again for these ones. It's going to be log 7, 3 divided by 5. There's 3 from this log and that 5 of that. Log of 10 divided by 5. You should be able to know how to do that. Log 2. That's our final answer. And then this is ln, or natural log, of x to the 3rd times y to the 9th. And that's our final answer. This one's basically just 2 log 2 of 9, and that 1/2 power is going to turn it into a square root of y. Alright, so now, change of base formula. I like to be a little special, so I'm going to start with natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 5. It's basically like, here. So we have this calculator. We can do ln of, here, let's actually start with this. So we're asked for the log base of 5, 3. We enter that in, and it's that number. And then we can do the natural log of 3, which is our thing, and then natural log of 5, which is the same exact thing. And that also works for the normal log 10 button, or base log. And that's going, and our answer is going to be 0.683. This is log base 610. I'm going to go back to this. Always remember to close the parentheses, by the way. I think this can be useful if I think you're using a scientific calculator which does not have this Math Alpha Math button where you can put in the base and whatever number you want.